Welcome, fellow travelers. I'm so glad you've joined me today. You know, here at The Perfect, we believe that age is just a number and that the world is meant to be explored no matter how many trips around the sun you've made. That's why today, we're diving into the top 10 travel mistakes older adults often make and, more importantly, how to avoid them. From packing smart to staying healthy and making the most of your budget, we'll cover it all. So grab your favorite travel mug, settle in, and let's ensure your next trip is comfortable, safe, and filled with nothing but joyful memories. Packing. It's a task that can either make or break your travel experience. It's the necessary prelude to every adventure, but it can also be a source of stress. The thought of forgetting something important or not having enough space can be overwhelming. And let's be honest, nobody wants to start their vacation wrestling with an overstuffed suitcase. The struggle to close it, the fear of it bursting open. It's not the ideal way to kick off your journey. The key to packing light is simple versatility. Think about pieces that can serve multiple purposes. A single versatile item can save you from packing multiple pieces. Choose clothing items that can be mixed and matched, and stick to neutral colors that can be dressed up or down with a scarf or a few pieces of jewelry. This way, you can create multiple outfits from just a few pieces. Remember, you can always do a little laundry on the road if you need to. Many hotels offer laundry services, and laundromats are often easy to find in most cities. Now, I'm a big fan of packing cubes. These little zippered wonders compress your clothes and keep everything organized. They make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. These little zippered wonders compress your clothes and keep everything organized. They come in various sizes, so you can use them for different types of clothing and accessories. Trust me, there's nothing more satisfying than opening your suitcase and knowing exactly where to find everything. It saves you time and reduces stress, allowing you to enjoy your trip more. Before you zip that bag, make a checklist of essentials like medications, toiletries, and any important documents. This ensures you don't forget anything crucial and helps you stay organized. This way, you can avoid those last-minute panics and head to the airport with peace of mind. Knowing you have everything you need allows you to start your journey on a positive note. And here's a little bonus tip. Leave some room in your suitcase for souvenirs. You never know what unique items you'll come across during your travels. After all, who doesn't love bringing home a little something special from their travels? Souvenirs are a great way to remember your adventures and share them with loved ones. Remember, packing light is all about traveling smart. It's about making thoughtful choices and prioritizing what truly matters. It's about freedom of movement, ease of mind, and focusing on what truly matters, experiencing the world around you. So pack smart, travel light, and make the most of every moment. When you're exploring a new place, the last thing you want to worry about is your health. Traveling should be about discovering new cultures, tasting exotic foods, and making unforgettable memories. But all of that can be overshadowed if you're not feeling your best. That's why being prepared is paramount, especially when it comes to your medications. Ensuring you have everything you need can make the difference between a smooth trip and a stressful one. Always pack enough medication for your entire trip, plus a few extra days' worth in case of unexpected delays. You never know when a flight might get canceled or plans might change unexpectedly. And here's a tip I've learned over the years. Keep your medications in their original packaging. This not only helps with identification, but also ensures that you have all the necessary information, such as dosage instructions and expiration dates, readily available. This helps avoid any confusion at security checkpoints and ensures you have all the necessary information readily available. Security personnel are more likely to let you through without hassle if everything is clearly labeled. Create a list of all your medications, including dosages and any allergies you have. This list can be a lifesaver in emergencies, providing crucial information to healthcare providers. Keep a copy with you at all times and share it with a travel companion, just in case. It's always better to have someone else aware of your medical needs, especially if you're traveling alone. It's also a good idea to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and any over-the-counter medications you use regularly. This can be incredibly handy for minor injuries or ailments that might occur during your travels. Remember, your health is your wealth, especially when you're on the road. Taking these precautions ensures that you can fully immerse yourself in the experience without any nagging worries. By being prepared, you can relax and enjoy your trip, knowing you've taken all the necessary precautions. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of your journey with peace of mind. We often fall into the trap of thinking that travel is about cramming in as much as possible, rushing from one attraction to the next, and ticking off every item on our itinerary. But the beauty of exploring a new place, especially as we get older, is in savoring each moment, taking the time to truly appreciate the sights, sounds, and flavors of our surroundings. That's why I'm a huge advocate for rest days. These days are essential for maintaining your energy and enthusiasm throughout your trip. These aren't days wasted, they're opportunities to recharge, reflect, and truly absorb the experiences you've had. They allow you to slow down and connect more deeply with the place you're visiting. Schedule a day or two into your itinerary where you have nothing planned. This flexibility can lead to unexpected and delightful discoveries. Maybe you linger over a leisurely breakfast at a local cafe, savoring the local cuisine and watching the world go by. Curl up with a good book in a park, letting the peaceful surroundings enhance your reading experience, or simply relax at your hotel and soak in the ambiance of your surroundings, enjoying the amenities and the comfort of your temporary home. Remember, travel should be enjoyable, not exhausting. It's about creating memories, not just collecting photos. By pacing yourself and incorporating rest days, you'll return home feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, not run down and ready for another vacation. Embrace the art of slow travel and make the most of every moment. One of the joys of travel is discovering new places and cultures, and everyone, regardless of age or physical ability, should have the opportunity to experience the world comfortably. Before you book your trip, take some time to research the accessibility options available at your destination. Look for hotels with elevators, ground floor rooms, and accessible bathrooms. When booking transportation, inquire about wheelchair accessibility, assistance with luggage, and any other special needs you may have. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance when you need it. Most people are happy to help, and it can make your trip much more enjoyable. Remember, accessibility is not a luxury. It's a right. By planning ahead and advocating for your needs, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. Now let's talk about something none of us like to think about, but is absolutely crucial: travel insurance. Unexpected events can happen to anyone, anywhere. A sudden illness, a missed flight, or lost luggage can quickly turn your dream trip into a stressful and expensive ordeal. That's where travel insurance comes in. It provides financial protection and peace of mind, knowing you're covered in case of emergencies. When choosing a policy, consider factors like your age, health conditions, and the length and destination of your trip. Look for coverage that includes medical expenses, trip cancellation or interruption, and lost or stolen belongings. Don't skimp on travel insurance. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind it provides, allowing you to relax and enjoy your trip knowing you're protected. One of the perks of reaching a certain age is the wealth of discounts available, especially when it comes to travel. Many airlines, hotels, tour operators, and attractions offer senior discounts, often starting at age 60 or 65. However, these discounts aren't always advertised, so don't be afraid to ask. When booking your trip, be sure to inquire about any senior discounts that may be available. You can often save a significant amount on flights, accommodations, and even entrance fees to popular attractions. Remember, every penny saved is a penny you can spend on experiencing more of your destination. So, speak up, ask for those discounts, and make the most of your travel budget. One of the keys to stress-free travel is allowing ample time for everything, especially as we get older and may not move as quickly as we used to. When planning your itinerary, be realistic about travel times, especially when dealing with unfamiliar places or multiple modes of transportation. Factor in extra time for getting to and from airports, train stations, and other transportation hubs. Remember, it's always better to arrive early and have some time to spare than to be rushing and stressed. Build in buffer time between activities and allow for unexpected delays. This way you can take your time, avoid feeling rushed, and truly savor each moment of your trip. Staying hydrated is crucial for good health, especially when you're traveling. Air travel, changes in climate, and increased activity can all contribute to dehydration, which can lead to fatigue, headaches, and other health issues. Make it a habit to drink plenty of water throughout your trip, especially during flights and in hot climates. Carry a refillable water bottle with you and refill it whenever you get the chance. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive alcohol consumption, as these can actually dehydrate you. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most important things you can do to stay healthy and feel your best while traveling. Choosing the right accommodations can make or break your trip, especially as we get older and prioritize comfort and convenience. Consider your needs and preferences when selecting a hotel or other type of lodging. Do you prefer a central location or a quieter neighborhood? Are amenities like elevators, accessible bathrooms, and on-site restaurants important to you? Don't be afraid to contact the hotel directly to inquire about specific amenities and request a room that meets your needs. Remember, your accommodations should be a comfortable and relaxing home base for your adventures. While we all hope for smooth sailing on our travels, it's always best to be prepared for the unexpected. Before you depart, create a list of emergency contacts and keep it easily accessible throughout your trip. Include local emergency numbers, the contact information for your country's nearest embassy or consulate, and the phone numbers of family members or close friends. Share a copy of this list with your travel companions, and leave a copy with someone back home. Knowing you have easy access to important contact information can provide peace of mind and ensure you're prepared to handle any situation that may arise.
Know you've been a good friend.
Thank you for joining me on this journey through smart travel tips for older adults. I hope you found these insights helpful as you plan your next adventure. Remember, age is just a number, and the world is full of incredible experiences waiting to be discovered. By traveling smart, you can embrace every moment with confidence, comfort, and a spirit of adventure. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to create unforgettable memories. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the road.